Good morning, this Monday the 1st of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, on Friday, the ASX 200 had its worst day in 4 weeks, ending the month slightly lower, falling 0.1% in October. All sectors closed in the red on Friday, with real estate down the most, and the 10-year bond yields have risen more than 2%. Some of the best performers on Friday: GUD Holdings advanced the most, up 6.9%. ResMed also made gains. Its trading update saw revenue climb 20%, and Reece advanced after their trading update led to broker upgrades. Morgans upgraded REH to a hold, and Macquarie upgraded to a neutral rating, while Ord Minnett upgraded to a buy. Westfield declined despite its centres reopening. They released a third quarter update covering all its centres globally, which demonstrated improving conditions from the ongoing impacts of COVID restrictions. In overseas markets, European markets closed mixed, while the US stock market finished at record highs. The S&P 500 gained 0.2%, while the Dow and the Nasdaq gained 0.3% respectively. This was despite disappointing earnings reports from the big tech stocks. Amazon and Apple shares both declined after earnings fell short of expectations. Now, what to watch today locally? Well, following US equities, the SPY futures are suggesting that the ASX 200 will rise 0.9% at the open. In economic news, on Friday, the Producer Price Index was released. That's business inflation data, which rose more than expected. It rose 1.1% in September. That's its strongest growth since December 2011, and that was due to higher prices and increasing supply costs. Economic data to look out for today includes Manufacturing PMI for October. Forecast expect PMI to be 57.3. So that's the Producers Managers Index. And to refresh our memories, PMI above 50 represents an expansion from the month prior. Home loan data for September will also be released today at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Now, more than 15 stocks and ETFs are set to go ex-dividend today. So keep in mind that this often sees shares fall as investors take their profits. Moving to commodities, the oil price is trading higher above $83 ahead of OPEC's meeting on Thursday, with expectations to maintain production cuts. Gold is trading lower as treasury yields are higher and the dollar is lower. Coal is trading at its lowest level since the end of September as China struggles with the energy crisis, and the seaborne iron ore price is trading lower at $121. As for some trading ideas to consider, Bell Potter have maintained their buy rating on copper production company AIS on a 4% lower price target at 22 cents. They lowered FY22 earnings forecast by 20% on higher costs and lower production. AIS last closed at 16 cents, implying 37.5% share price growth in a year. End-to-end, bullish charting signals have been identified in Syra Resources, SYR, Inacax Healthcare, IHL, and Alpha, A4N, according to Trading Central. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.